Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by enabling back tap so it responds reliably. Open Settings, go to Accessibility, then Touch. This puts you at the exact control panel. Once there, tap back tap and pick either double tap or triple tap depending on how quickly you want to trigger actions. Make sure to scroll through the list and choose a meaningful action or a shortcut you already built. This connects the physical taps to a useful function on your iPhone. Next, assign the specific action so back tap performs something practical. Tap the option you want and pick a system action, screenshot, app switcher, or control center, or select a shortcut to run multiple steps at once. Why shortcuts? They let you chain tasks like open an app then play music. Once assigned, test responsiveness by tapping the lower rear around the Apple logo area using a quick, light double or triple tap. Adjust if it misses or triggers accidentally. To finish, refine settings so back tap works reliably in daily use. If you get false triggers, switch from double to triple tap or vice versa. Different patterns reduce accidental activation. Make sure bulky cases or magnetic mounts aren't dampening the taps. Remove them and test again. If it still misbehaves, restart your iPhone, then toggle back tap off and back on to recalibrate the sensor. If problems persist, check for iOS updates, software fixes off.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.